Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the header on your Wix website. Step by step, in a simple and easy way. First, open your Wix editor and let your website load completely. Once you're in, click on your header section at the top of the page. Look for the Settings or Options menu that appears when the header is selected. Here, you can adjust the height, background, and layout of your header. If your header isn't staying fixed at the top while scrolling, make sure to enable the Freeze Header or Stretch on Scroll option depending on your template. This will keep your header visible as visitors move down the page. You can also customize other elements inside the header, like your logo, menu, or buttons, to make sure everything fits perfectly. Once you're happy with the changes, make sure to save your work. And there you have it. Your header is now fixed and ready for your visitors. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.